Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Rajiv Kumar P. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss with you a numerical problem related to effective stress concept. At a construction site, a 3-meter thick clay layer is followed by a 4-meter thick gravel layer which is resting on an impervious rock. A load of 25 kN per meter square is applied suddenly at the surface. Saturated unit weight of soil are given as 19 kN per meter cube and 20 kN per meter cube for the clay and gravel layers respectively. Water table at the ground level is given. Draw the variation of total, neutral and effective stresses in the soil layers. So first of all, we have to see that the given details are shown in the diagram. You have to make a schematic of the soil profile in this type of numericals. Then only it will be easy to solve this kind of numerical problems. Sigma is nothing but sum of effective stress and neutral stress. So a tabular form of this kind is to be made with respect to depth, how much may be the total stress, how much is neutral stress and how much is effective stress, which can be written over here. Depth 0 is nothing but the ground level where there is a surcharge loading of 25 kN per meter square is acting. Okay, then below the ground level 3-meter thick clay layer is there and 4-meter thick gravel layer is also there below the clay layer, and then there is rock formation which is termed as impervious layer. Because of the surcharge loading, the pressure acting on the ground surface can be directly taken as 25 kN per meter square. In earlier cases, when there is no surcharge loading, the total stress which is acting at the ground surface is taken as 0. And neutral stress at the ground level is taken as 0 because the water pressure which starts from ground surface, because water level is up to the ground surface. Okay. Then the effective stress is nothing but sigma minus u, that is 25 kN per meter square. Similarly, for 3-meter depth from the ground surface, which is nothing but 25 kN per meter square, which is acting as surcharge loading at the ground surface, plus unit weight of clay layer is 19 and the depth is 3 meter, you will get 82 kN per meter square. Then neutral stress at a depth of 3 meter from the surface of the water, from the ground level where there is water table, you can calculate this one as 3 into 9.81 unit weight of water times 3, which is equal to 29.43 kN per meter square. And effective stress is difference between total stress and neutral stress, that is 52.57. And at 7-meter depth, that is at the interface between rock and gravel, 7 meter from the ground surface, how much is the total stress? It is nothing but 82, which is acting at 3-meter depth, plus 4 times, that is 4 is the depth, and unit weight is 20, is equal to 162. And neutral stress is 29.43, which is acting at 3-meter depth, plus 4, the remaining depth, into 9.82. The difference is effective stress. So these are the numerical calculation related to this. Now let us see how this variation of total stress, neutral stress and effective. The soil profile is given here. 25 kN is the kilonewton per meter square. 25 kN per meter square is the total stress which is acting at the ground surface due to surcharge loading. Then 82 and 162. Total stress diagram is this one. Now neutral stress This is also plotted. Now effective stress. So this is the variation of total stress, neutral stress and effective stress. Thank you very much.